AI chatbots are all the rage these days, with tech giants like Microsoft and OpenAI incorporating them into their search engines. Now, Google is following suit. Google CEO Sundar Pichai recently spoke with the Wall Street Journal about the company's plans to incorporate its large language models, or LLMs, into its search engine. While Google has been a champion for AI for years, it has been slower to incorporate AI into its products than Microsoft, which first integrated ChatGPT into Bing earlier this year. However, Google has been working on AI in the form of large language models for some time now and even unveiled Bard, its answer to ChatGPT, earlier this year. Pichai said that ultimately, users will be able to ask questions to Google and engage with LLMs in the context of search. While there is excitement around the adoption of these technologies, there is also reason to move slowly with shaking up the search engine. Google Search was responsible for $162 billion in earnings last year, far more than other divisions at Alphabet. Microsoft has been pouring billions of dollars into a deal with OpenAI, which created ChatGPT. Bing, once a punchline to many consumers, could now be a genuine competitor against Google Search. Microsoft seized the moment before the AI chatbot wave even began to pick up momentum, showing interest in OpenAI as early as 2020. The computing power required to duplicate human conversation is considerable, and given cost-cutting earlier this year, which saw 10,000 Alphabet employees lose their jobs, the company is taking measured steps with expansion. Part of the hesitation seems to be the cost, and Pichai declined to give details to the Wall Street Journal about when the company plans to remove the waitlist barrier for Bard. Google's two main AI units, Google Brain and DeepMind, will start collaborating more closely to create large algorithms for AI technology. Pichai signaled that Google has big plans for the technology, saying that ultimately, it will be more accessible than people expect. There are reasons for tech giants like Google and Microsoft to be cautious about the implementation of AI chatbots, as the rapid development of AI technology has raised concerns inside and outside the industry. Elon Musk and a number of other technology experts called for a 6-month pause on the development of advanced AI systems last month, arguing that it could bring risks to society. Lawmakers on Capitol Hill have also expressed concern over the potential impact of AI. However, there has been little agreement so far on how Congress should respond to the threat. Despite the concerns, AI is rapidly changing the way we interact with technology, and Google is working hard to stay ahead of the curve. With Google's plan to add an AI chatbot to its search engine, it will be interesting to see how this technology evolves and how it will impact the way we search for information online.